Looking for a fast and reliable Flutter barcode scanner? Let's compare the mobile scanner library with the Scanbot Barcode Scanner SDK. Scanbot SDK offers broad barcode support, including niche symbologies like maxicode. Scanbot SDK offers a variety of parsers, including IATA boarding pass, US driver's license, and GS1. Now, let's look at some more challenging situations. Pause to compare how each solution performed in each category. Scanbot SDK, fast and reliable barcode scanning for production apps. Available for all common frameworks.